Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. In this video, I am going to make a crown backdrop. I am using a different technique for that backdrop. I just loaded on my platelet sequin for my base layer, and that is from CV Linens. And then now I'm loading on other panels, which are from Amazon. Now, I am putting a crown on entirely too soon. You want to wait till after you get all the drapes on to put the crown on. But I'm also showing you how this one, which is a little bit more, it has the opening for you to put the curtains through. So this is the one you want to get. It may cost a little bit more, but you can slide the panels on easily. And I'm sliding on about 2 panels there. Now I'm attempting to load the drapes, and the pole that's beneath, that's gonna keep falling because every time I put it back on the hook, that pole just keeps falling. That's why I said just wait to put the crown on. Have your poles in place, but just wait till after you put all the drapes on to put the crown on. So I thought, like, if I got up a little higher on a chair, that would help. I am zip tying the crown at the bottom. I did it on both sides. I had already zip tied it to the top pole. And then I'm measuring, I think it was like 27 inches on both sides. So I did 10 inches, just 10 inches and 7 inches for one color. So that's how I divided it up. I noticed that there was like a gap. The way that I was putting the panels in, I'm going to show you. See how I put it underneath that pole, that little piece there? I'm going to do the same with the pink, and that closes the gap up, so I didn't even have to use safety pins. Again, I guess I'm just in a hurry to put stuff on. I should not be trying to put that picture frame on, so you want to wait even to put the picture frame on. But once you get the drapes on, you can put the crown on, but wait till after you get done gathering, or right before you're about to, I would say after you get done gathering the fabric, then go ahead and put the frame on. So as you can see, I took it off. So I am working on building my swags. I start with what I call the V method, creating a nice V in the center. And then that's going to allow me to create or build into the swags. Sometimes you have to take your pipe cleaners and double them because it gets to be thick when you're using a lot of fabric. So I'm deepening the swags with this even hotter pink. I don't know what the color is. It was pink when I got it from CV Linens, but the one that I got from Amazon, which is in my hand now, notice how that one's a little lighter, but I love the way the colors blend. Okay, so I'm deepening those swags. Gathering the 2 panels from the crown. You just want to make sure everything is nice and centered. Now I'm putting on the picture frame. I tried to use the fishing line that was already there, but I got a fresh piece, and that's what I'm doing. I'm adding that on right now, getting ready to grab that picture frame and put it on. So this is the point that you want to put the picture frame on. I offer digital products to help you learn even more about draping. Make sure you check those out in the description. Okay, now I'm just fixing up my bottoms, making them nice and neat. Just giving them some shape, giving them some form. With the center, I'm making sure that each of the colors is visible. You don't have to do that. You can just choose however you want to do your center, but I just said, okay, but let me make each color visible. Sometimes if I have a fabric that looks very wrinkly, I will kind of hide that at the bottom, but I decided to show everything. I am gonna have to go back and fix this because once I put my tie back on, it's gonna kind of mess this up. So I'm taking all this time to fix this, and then I'm gonna have to come back and fix it. And you also want to step back and just make sure everything looks nice and even. So now I'm working on the center. I'm taking some of those pipe cleaners out that's directly in the middle. And it just makes it look so much better. So you want to take some out in the center. You can add them back around. You can take the longer pieces off and put them back around. So here's the piece. So I'm going to kind of struggle with trying to get this piece on. I got it from Amazon. I absolutely love it. At first I was like, wow, it is really big, because it's bigger than the other ones that I have from Amazon. But I thought it coordinated really well with the oval picture frame. And the picture frame is from Etsy. So I'm just trying to decide, okay, how much of this fabric do I need to get this stick through to get it to stay and look decent? And then as I'm doing that, it's messing up the center. So I'm gonna have to go back over that. So again, this is not holding the drapes for you. Remember, the pipe cleaners are holding the drapes. This is only for decoration. A lot of people think that this is holding the drapes. This is not strong enough though, or it cannot handle holding that many drapes. So this is how it turned out. I am really, really happy with this, and I'm so glad that I tested out this crown, because this crown is different from the last two that I used, and it's made different. And so I had to, and then I'm using a different method. So I'm glad I tested it out, because I'm going to be doing a quinceañera next month, and now I'm ready. So please let me know what you think of this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.